Well, she's the only exception.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Because she's small. The others aren't allowed, but she is. Oh, Penny! Oh, Penny! Oh, Penny!
Oh, you're just a little flop, aren't you?
She's crazy.
What is that? Oh. Pat herself, jeez.
You're crazy. Toby, chill out.
Oh, he's a little football. He's a little football.
There you go.
She's right back to it. Oh, yeah. Penny, Penny, come here. What are you doing, you baby?
Pick me.
Oh, quit you. Penny, come here, you little
Noisy.
Well, you're just a little fucking piss and vinegar, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Best chihuahua ever. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Yeah, she is the only chihuahua I will ever own. There you go, Pen.